that to raise Mr. Surendra.
Yes. Yeah. Food for the body is not enough. There must be food for the soul. And here we have Surinder Yadav from Shiva Caterers, who serves food which is for your soul. Surinder Yadav is in the business of catering, representing Shiva Caterers. His office is in Marian Palya. He's in this business from past 9 years. None. Guess what? He has written none, and none.
Not married.
Yes, so he is the bachelor, one more bachelor of our group. Hobbies, playing table tennis.
Not for long. Not for long.
Not for long, yes.
Whoa.
Playing table tennis and watching movies. His favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni, and he likes to listen to old songs. From the land of Lalu, born brought up in Patna, Surinder is in Bangalore from past 15 years. His key to success is quality, hard work and commitment. Something no one knows about him is he himself is a chef, and he used to run a restaurant also. His burning desire is to make his business work on auto mode. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Surinder Yadav.
Good morning, winners.
Good morning.
Surinder Yadav. Here I am to talk about my business, Shiva Caterers. It was started by my father, Sunil Yadav, in the year 2008. Thank you, winners. Thank you, LT and members, to give me this opportunity to present myself here. There is no love more sincere than the love of food, George Bernard Shaw, and all the foodies. My gifts. I'm having a good referral to our members. I'm having a good contact with these people. Ravi Nayak, manager at Star Banquet in Jayanagar. Mr. Shashi Ranjan, manager at Manpo Convention Center. Mr. Rajesh Bora, owner at Shanti Jewelers. Mr. Ramesh Mehta, proprietor at Red Carpet and Marwa Tent. Mr. Shailendra Kumar, proprietor at Happiness Hospitality. Mr. Akshay Gowda, partner at MM Logistic. It can be a great source of referral. I'm having a good contact with them. How it all started. Mr. Sunil Yadav, the man who started it all, my father and my dad, my inspiration. He used to work with the Bollywood star Mithun Chakrabarti in Ooty.
Oh.
He used to work under his hotel Monarch. Then he came in Bangalore, started with Masala Puri stall. My first humble beginning was here. Though he was started, the quality and the hygienic and the service was maintained. Food served at our well-wisher house was my first catering order. It was not a small, but it was a small number of packs which we have served there. A recently concluded event, photo custody goes to Mrs. Sain Shurana. Thank you. Flintstone Production. A wedding reception on 9 December at Jayanagar. This is the crockery and cutlery what we provide to the customers. It's all coral plates and coral glasses which we serve on that. This is the salads. All the appetizers, starters are cooked in tandoor at live there itself. Chatpata chaats. The chaats is also live. Aloo tikki, chole, ragde patties. The soups are set. The final checkup. Curries at the right temperature with the hygienic and the good quality of food. Parts of the spread. This is the half parts, and our chefs are all well groomed and dressed well. The rotis, assorted roti, tandoori rotis are made itself there. The pulkas are made hot. Supervising the work myself there. Tawa vegetables. Spicing it up with the masalas. Kullat biryani, it's hot.
Wow.
And the desserts. And it's wrapped up. Mr. Ajim Premji, the celebrity wedding guest, had my food. He just took the plate in hand and told, "Give me a butter naan." not even 1 minute the butter naan was served in his plates. And I have done many celebrities like Sunil Joshi, former cricketer. I have served in Raj Bhavan with Rajpal, Bajuvai Valla. It was a Gujarati cuisine. A little about us. Our services, cooking, serving, cleaning up. At our kitchen or the venue. If it's a large member, then we shift our kitchen to the venue. And if it's a small one, then we prepare in our own kitchen. We are having around 2,400 square feet built area with all the equipments where we manufacture and serving with all necessary and materials. Cleaning up all the wastage relating to our catering. Food style, Jain, veg and a pure vegetarian food. We are having a tie-up with a non-veg vendor, another vendor. Varieties in foods, 15 types of cuisine. It can be South Indian, North Indian, Bengali, Punjabi, Gujarati, Maheshwari, Agarwal. 200 different food items. 20 types of live content. It can be pasta, chaats, dosa, rotis, starters. Event we are done. 5,000 events in Bangalore. 100 events outside Bangalore. We have done in Ooty, Mysore, Coimbatore, Vellore, Chennai, Erode. 15 average event per month. How to find business for me? What to listen? Wedding bell ringing. Office need new catering. Starter interior at home. Child standing one. Reference sources. The mango teas are for me. Wedding planner, photographer, Mulesh Jain, event organizer, banquet hall owner, interior designer, resort owner. Reference sources. Parents of the bride and the groom, new home owner, corporate office admin, just a social club. I would like to work with the social club with not in profit. My ask. Since I used to help my father from 8th standard, I decided to take my business on large scale. So try our replenishing, refreshing at Delicious Cuisine and refer to your friend and your family. Thank you. Anybody having any question, queries?
Awesome.
Surender has been serving to my sister's house. Almost 3 times I've tasted his food, okay? And all the 3 times different menu. In Jain food, you know how much limitations are there. But getting us a variety in Jain food every time when we have a program is something really different I saw in Surender. Ensuring that everything is hot and prepared as fresh as possible. We in Jains, no, we don't use something which is prepared last night also. So he ensured that the morning breakfast was all taken care of by preparing things freshly. So that's the best part of Surender. I highly recommend Surender for catering needs. Please do try it. Thank you.
What is the
minimum order quantity?
Sir, minimum is 100 packs for our BNI winner chapter. I am glad to have 50 members.
Super.
Lovely.